Rain in the summertime makes it even humider. What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be making a video on the Wi-Fi agent, or the Wi-Fi dongle, however you want to say it, for the F chassis cars, F30 and F32 in particular. So I actually happen to pick up this Wi-Fi agent from Colorado N5X. I'll link his website in the description. Highly recommend him. But let me just show you guys real quick. It smells like donuts in my car for some reason, I don't know. This is the dongle. It's a BeamerSense Wi-Fi agent, strictly for the F chassis. So this wouldn't work on like your E92 or E90. I'm gonna show you how to use this, and then I'm gonna explain to you how to transfer your MHD license from Android to your iPhone. So let's get right into it. Shout out to the girlfriend for this little flower. Here we are. So MHD came out with the app for iOS, finally. That's a big step up for them. This app, the revision of their app just looks so much better. It's so much more clean and responsive. When you get this Wi-Fi agent, literally all you have to do is plug this into your OBD port. Essentially what you do with this Sense Wi-Fi agent is you go into your Wi-Fi settings on your phone. You go into settings, connect it to Wi-Fi. The password for it is Sense123. It'll be on Colorado N5X's website. So you can flash your car through this using the Wi-Fi agent with the Wi-Fi connected. You can go in here and change your, your option. So we got the exhaust burble, cold start, noise reduction, all that stuff. This will say, it's gonna say 2 minutes, but really it flashes your car in under 30 seconds. The last flash I did took under 30 seconds. It actually took 20. That's why I think it's a great investment, honestly, in my opinion. Especially if you're on the go and you just want to flash your car real quick, you need to switch octanes or whatever. That's perfect. In my case scenario, I'm going to be taking a trip to California, so I want to be able to swap over to 91 octane rather than 93, just to prevent any unnecessary issues that may happen running a 93 octane tune on 91 octane. Not trying to like overcomplicate this or whatever, but I just think it's super worth the money for the Wi-Fi agent. So if you haven't already, I recommend going over to the website and buying a BeamerSense Wi-Fi agent for your BMW F chassis. And also you can literally do all sorts of stuff with this. You can do data logging, you can read your DME codes. It's all here. Flash back to stock if you absolutely need to. Tuning, you've got everything you need. I'm gonna explain to you guys how you essentially swap licenses. A lot of people are gonna be curious, and I'm sure it's a little complicated for everyone at first. So if you're trying to transfer your license from a Android device, you need to download the latest, and I mean latest, MHD update, because you need the Android app to have this layout exactly like the iOS one. Because if it's not gonna work for you. You're not gonna be able to transfer. It just has to do with the new update. So you're gonna get this new update on your Android device. So once you do that, you're gonna need to download Google Chrome. Google Chrome is essential for this transfer because you actually have to log into your account on your Android device in order to initiate the transfer process. So that's all you need to do, download Google Chrome. If you already have it, then that's perfect. It's gonna ask you to log in via Google Chrome or another browser, but Google Chrome is necessary. Again, I don't know why. It's just how it is, I guess. And then you're gonna do the same thing on your iPhone. You're gonna be able to use this iPhone app, the iPhone MHD app, to flash your car, which is super convenient. I don't know, that's my opinion. Like, I just think it's so easy because I can literally just pull out my phone and then pull up MHD. But also, I'm gonna show you guys this. So I recently purchased a Renline phone mount. I'll link their website in the description if you're interested. But essentially, this phone mount is super, super, super solid. Like, it just does not move. I did a bunch of testing on it. And you take off this trim here to basically screw it back in with the radio. This, where the climate controls are. And it's steady. It doesn't come off, nothing happens, you don't break anything. and it's just in a good spot. It's on a ball joint, so it won't. You can adjust it to wherever you'd like. So I think that's an awesome little phone mount. It's a little pricey, but again, I recommend it. That's gonna be it for this video, and I'll be bringing you a lot of content coming soon. Just in a couple of days. I have a trip to California coming up, so I'm gonna be doing a bunch of filming there, a bunch of car stuff, so it's gonna be fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.